people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are gonna make super quick kale chips. I just received my organic veg and fruit box from Abel and Kale and I got some kale. So it was nicely packed in the bag and I took a few of them out and I washed the leaves. Check them out. Woohoo! Check the color. Now I'm gonna pat them dry, slice them. I'm gonna get rid of the stalks, but keep them. You can use them for smoothies or into soups if you are making a stock, or you can really slice them thinly and put them into stir fries. They've got many uses, so don't just chuck them away. And I will slice the leaves and just put some olive oil and salt in it. I saw some recipe from Abel and Cole. They put also sugar in it, but I just wanna keep it plain. So for me it will be Himalayan salt and olive oil, and just put it in the oven for a couple of minutes, and I can't wait. And I'm gonna show you what I also buy, a spicy version. This is what I usually buy as well. It's wonderful. So organic kale chips, they are vegan, they are really spicy. So if you don't like spicy things, I don't usually take many spicy things, but these ones I really love. But now I am craving something really plain, so I'm gonna do my own version with these wonderful fresh ones. Look at the color. And I thought I just gonna invite you to make some with me. Let's go! Okay, job done. So I cut them into nice tiny pieces, and I've got the stalks here. I keep it for later. I think I'm gonna make some soup, so I think I'm gonna slice it in it. And now it's just a bit of olive oil, taste of sunshine, and a bit of Himalayan salt, and straight to the oven. Let's do it! Now I've got it in this bowl. I put just a bit of olive oil, bit of drizzle, bit of sea salt, sorry, Himalayan salt in my case. And just give it a good mix. And in it goes. And here they are, nice and crispy. You need to keep an eye on them. You don't want to burn them, but yes, I can't wait. So it's something easy to do. Let me know in the comments below. I am really curious to know what is your favorite recipe. Today I just wanted something really simple. And yes, I am keen to know what is your favorite combo. Let me know. I will have to dash now because I need to enjoy this crispy, lovely chips. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Share with your friends and family. Spread some love. Leave me some comments below. Enjoy the kale season. And that's all from me. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.